Welcome back to Tech Vibe channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a simple and effective process on how to reset your JVC Smart TV easily. If your TV is running slow, apps aren't working properly, or you're facing connectivity problems, a quick reset can often solve it all. So, stay tuned and follow the steps carefully to restore your TV to its best performance. Step 1. Check before resetting. Before performing a reset, make sure you've tried basic troubleshooting steps. Unplug your TV from the power source for at least 60 seconds and plug it back in. Sometimes, this simple restart fixes minor software glitches. Also, ensure your TV software is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause bugs and lag. If these quick fixes don't work, it's time for a proper reset. Step 2. Soft reset method. Let's start with a soft reset, a method that doesn't erase your data or installed apps. Press the menu button on your JVC remote. Navigate to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings. Choose Reset, Soft Reset, or Restart. Your TV will restart automatically. This helps clear temporary issues without affecting your personal settings or downloaded apps. Step 3. Factory Reset Method. If problems persist, you'll need to perform a factory reset. This will erase all settings, accounts, and apps, returning your TV to its original factory condition. Press the Home button on your remote, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset. Select Factory Data Reset, erase everything. Enter your PIN if prompted, then confirm. Your JVC Smart TV will restart and begin the reset process. This may take a few minutes. Step 4. Using Physical Reset Button. If your remote isn't responding or your screen is frozen, you can reset your JVC TV manually. Locate the reset button, usually found near the HDMI or USB ports. Use a small pin or paperclip to press and hold the button for about 15 seconds while the TV is powered on. Release it once the JVC logo appears. The reset will begin automatically. Step 5. After reset setup. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to set up your JVC Smart TV again. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google or JVC account, and reinstall your favorite apps. You'll notice your TV running smoother, faster, and free from any bugs or app crashes. And that's how you can easily reset your JVC Smart TV, whether it's a soft reset or full factory reset. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and share this video to help others. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.